In this painting, I am sharing how to paint the winter landscape with one color and a few brushes and palette knife. Make winter painting at the mountain and with less details too. As per your wish, any blue color you can take it and make it a little lighter by adding titanium white, and along with this color, side to side brush strokes from top to bottom. Next, blue with black, creating peak and outline of the mountain, and just I can give less details with this lighter value and less focused if distance mountain. Filled up the colors in it and using the palette knife number 2, grab some titanium white, just come pick up this mountain, drag the paint just downward like this. Now you can use the knife to spread the paint directly onto the canvas. This palette knife techniques with loaded palette knife with this white paint and just a quick stroke pressing the knife down lightly on the slight angle, then scrape the knife to push the paint and create strokes. As you apply the paint in just one direction and scrape the paint in the other, you will get uneven broken texture. Now creating the body of water bag with a little darkish blue, just coming a diagonal way and fill the colors in it. Just observe your painting and add more elements, texture, refine edges, small details like footprints, a few scattered falling snowflakes by flicking watered down white paint on canvas. Here, these grassy areas adding short shadows, darkest and lighter shadows to some reflections of the tree too. Randomly adding some grass effect here, and then as it goes off, it's going to get a less intense. By using flick motion techniques, the shorter strokes from downwards to upwards, the grass effect, little darkies and lighter shadows of the bushes and grasses according to the winter season. I'm coming here to the edge of the base of the land, the one side, just creating the shadow with a little darkish color. Creating snow on the water and base of the land, little shorter horizontal strokes and a little circular motion brush strokes. Next, creating tree using long bristle linear brush dip with black acrylic and creating the trunk, stems and branches of the trees in the very direction. Finally, creating the falling flakes. The falling flakes flick watered down white paint onto the canvas with a stiff brush.